Good morning, doctor. Good morning, sir. What is the matter with you? I am suffering from fever and sore throat since yesterday. Do you have cough problem also? Yes, I have. Do you have any other symptoms? I also feel headache and shivering. Have you taken any medicine so far? No, doctor. Let me check your temperature. You have a fever 102. I have been feeling severe pain in the left side of my chest since last night. Let me check. Take deep breaths. Is there something serious, doctor? I have to x-ray your chest. You have pneumonia. Oh, doctor, I have pneumonia. Do not worry. It is perfectly curable. Take the prescribed medicines 2 times a day for 1 week and get some rest. And also take light and liquid diet, dahlia, soup, fruits. Doctor, I will follow your instructions to recover soon. Thank you very much, doctor. Welcome. Get well soon.